Hi there, in today's tip I want to share some advice around like a common question that we get. One of the most common questions is, how do I grow really rapidly? Like, how do I ramp my business up really rapidly? Well, a very important resource when it comes to marketing and growth is yourself. So if we look at how we spend our time in business, that's going to have a huge impact on whether we're growing or not. So what I mean by this, and I'll give you some really clear tips to take away of what you can do with this, is working with hundreds of different business owners in all different industries and all different shapes and sizes. The way that most people spend most of their time in business is doing reactive stuff. It's like responding to things and getting stuff done. It's not proactive new things that are going to grow the business. So when you look over your to-do list, because to-do list will never ever go away for you. It's like a self-replenishing, it just always refills and never ever goes away. Look over your to-do list and have it be really, really strict on it. Look at the items on the to-do list and think which of these could result in business growth, like attracting new customers and getting you in front of new faces and things, versus just getting stuff done that's behind the scenes that could be done at midnight or could be done anytime or done later potentially. Take all of those growth items out of the to-do list, create a separate to-do list and do those items first. So you're doing the growth activities first on a separate to-do list, then doing all of that reactive stuff, like things like book work and reconciliation and all that. That's stuff that can be done later, like after hours or behind the scenes. It's not a priority if you're wanting to grow. If you want to grow, dedicate more time to growth, doing more of those growth items. As your revenue and everything else goes up and you make more money, you can pay someone else to do the reactive stuff. You start to move yourself to what's most important, and that's the growth activity. So there's the tip for today, focusing more on growth by separating those items out of the to-do list, because a to-do list will just never ever go away and it'll suck away your days, your hours, your years, your life basically. You've got to be strict on making sure you do the growth activities first. So I'd love to hear any of your feedback or any thoughts on this, or what some of those items might be that you need to focus on first to grow your business. Share those with us in any of the comments here, or share this tip with anyone else who you know would benefit. Here's to creating more ripple effects of awesomeness everywhere we go. See you on the next episode.